Some homes are beautiful.
And some homes just make you want to stay.
Today we're going to take a look inside this gorgeous North Scottsdale hidden gem. It's tucked away in a beautiful gated community called Trobia.
A place where luxury, privacy, spacious lots, and the beauty of the Sonoran Desert all come together and create an incredible Arizona lifestyle. So let's go on in and take a closer look.
With the spacious layout and this fantastic resort-style backyard, it's perfect for entertaining family and guests. It truly captures your Arizona lifestyle.
Yeah, if you would like to see everything that this home has to offer, we'd love to show it to you and give you a private tour. You can also do a 3D virtual walkthrough by clicking on the link in the description. Again, I'm Apryle Borst.
And I'm Leanne King with Arizona Best Real Estate. We know you're going to love this home.
Absolutely. Thanks. Bye.